Guys, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn $5 to $100 using CPA marketing and another website. Now it's going to be a very short video, so I want you to watch from the beginning to the end. Don't just go out and do things by yourself. And at the end of this video, if you have any question, you can put in the comment section below and I'll be very quick to answer you. So make sure you watch the video to the end so you can get it step by step, and you can go out there and do things for yourself and be able to turn $5 to $100 or more or less, depending on how you do your thing. Now the platform you're going to be using right here is CPA Grip. As you can see right here, you can also use other CPA platforms such as CPA Build, CPA Lead, OG Ads, AdWork Media, whatever platform you're good with, you can use anyone you want. But this one I'm going to be using CPA Grip. Yeah, CPA Grip is the platform I'm going to be using. Now, as you can see right here, I'm on the offer page, and from the United States, make sure you use the United States for your promotion, because United States pays the highest, or you can also use the United Kingdom or whatever country you feel is best for you. Now, as you can see right here, there are 3 offers here, and this one right here is the best performing offer, because you can see it has a net profit of 70% and the net CR is 20.33%. So this is the best offer in the United States right now. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the offer to see how the offer looks like. As you can see, is clean out your computer, enter your information now to get started. Once someone from the United States completes this offer, you're going to get paid $1.28, and we just need like at least 100 people to complete this offer, and you're going to get paid $128. So where are we going to get the 100 people? Where are we going to get the traffic? Now to get the traffic, that's where we're going to be spending the $5. Now you're going to head over to this website right here using the link in the description below, AdFly. Let me log in right here. The website we're going to use to get traffic for our CPA offers right here is AdFly. Make sure you use the link in the description below so you can get like discounts on your ads or whatsoever, because you're going to be spending $5. If you use the link in the description below, you can be spending maybe a $4 or $3. Make sure you use the link in the description below to register on AdFly. Now it's loading. Let it load up. While it's loading, guys, like I said, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Yeah, now that we're on, it has loaded up and we're on the page right here, you're going to be spending $5 on this website. You're going to be spending $5 on this website to run an ad and send traffic to our CPA offer, this CPA offer right here. Now I'm going to show you step by step on how to set up the ad. It's very simple. You don't need a landing page, you don't need any page whatsoever. It's just straight to the point. Now while you're on this website right here, you're going to click on create campaign right here. After you've registered, it's very easy to register. Those input your email, password, username, and normal way of registering stuff. You're going to head over to advertisers here. You're not going to be a publisher, you're going to be an advertiser. So you're going to head over to create campaign. After you've head over to create campaign, the campaign we're going to be creating right here is actually push ads, because push ads gets the click we want. We get genuine click using push ad. Now, like I said, we're going to be using $5, so you head over to this place and click on 5. Now we're going to scroll down and we're going to get traffic from the United States. So we're going to click on this place right here. But before we do so, after we've clicked on it, since we're spending $5, let us reduce the cost per click to maybe 0.01 cents. So with that amount, we're going to be getting 500 clicks on our CPA offer. And let's assume 500 clicks. Out of the 500 clicks, 100 people completed the offer, so you're going to be getting paid $128. As you can see right there, it's as simple as that, guys. So now you're going to scroll down to enter your push details. So if you click on enter your push detail, you're going to enter the campaign name. So for the campaign name, I'm going to head over to this place just to copy. I'm just going to copy this. So as you can see, it's a very easy method, so you don't need to have knowledge or be a computer guru to do that. Just copy this, head over to this place, paste, and you can also do it with your phone. If you don't have a laptop, you can also do it with your phone. That is one thing about it. Now for the advert title, also paste this right here, for the advert description, head over to CPA grip and copy this too. Head over to this place, paste it. Now for the advert icon and for the advert image, you're gonna, let's say let's just move this one right here, download the image. Okay, I can download the image and upload it right here. Now, but the only downside is that they have a requirement. Now for the advert icon, you need 192 by 192 pictures. For the advert image, you need 360 by 240 pictures. Now to do that, you're going to head over to Canva to design the picture of your choice. Well, in Canva, you're going to search for, what's it called, 192 by 192, and for the requirement, you're going to use 192 by 192, and for the image, you're going to use 360 by 240. Guys, don't mind any noise you can hear. Rain is actually falling, so I don't know if you can hear the noise, but please don't, just listen to my voice, and I hope you can hear me. I'm going to speak a little bit louder now. So now, after you've head over to Canva, you're going to click on this and create a design of your choice. It's not actually hard to create a design of Canva. You can just copy this and use Canva to create a similar design. So after you've done that, for the advert URL, you don't need a landing page. Just head over to CPA grip, copy your link, head over to AdFly and paste it right here. Maximum daily budget, just leave it at 0 there. So now the traffic source, head over to CPA grip and look for what the traffic source that is needed. Now it is not said whether, okay, as you can see, speed up your computer is actually for desktop, so you're gonna click on desktop. We don't need mobile. For Windows, you're gonna uncheck this box. It's gonna scroll down, click on I agree, then you're gonna either pay with your PayPal, or if you have money in your wallet, you can pay with your wallet. It's as simple as that. So after you click on PayPal, you're going to click on pay for campaign. It's not actually going to work now because I've not uploaded any icon. You're going to upload an icon, follow the steps. Once you've submitted your ad, for the push ad, it's going to be approved immediately, as far as you don't use any adult related website or anything that is like adult related. Just don't use competency adult related. If you want competency adult related, you can use their adult.xyz service, as you can see right here. Just post your ad and you're going to be getting traffic coming in. Let me show you guys something. I've spent a lot of money on ads on this platform and I'll be getting results, as you can see right here. These are PayPal. I deposited some money to run ads to show you that I'm not just saying that I do what I teach. You get it right now. So you can just follow the step in this video and you can be making some bucks for yourself, either on CPA grip, CPA lead, AdWork Media, or whatever platform you want to be using. So that'll be the end of this video right now. If you have any question, if you want me to do another video, you can put it in the comment section below. I'll be very quick to answer you. And please hit the red subscribe button in this channel. I'm trying to grow. I'm trying to get to 1K subscriber. If you're watching this video, I actually uploaded this video when I'm in 400 subscribers or so I'm trying to get to 1K. Please help me subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Let's go. Peace.